Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP. Once again, thank you for support. Okay, build a CoinsKid crew. So Mexi are doing a competition for the CoinsKid crew right now. All you got to do is click the link in the video description, come along, do some trading, and you can be eligible to win $8,000. Okay, so we've got 18 days, 6 hours left for the event to end. So please get involved in that and take advantage of that. And good luck, everybody. Let's dive into the XRP chart right now. So looking at XRP on a weekly time frame, then there is a bit of a negative thing that's playing out just there. Well, it's not playing out, it's just an indication. Sometimes you can see things in the RSI and the price action that sort of give the game away, basically. I think down here we had a beautiful bullish divergence that played out, and this started to come back up into the resistance just there. So what we have got, in my opinion, is, and it's not absolutely guaranteed, but what we have got just there is lower lows in the candle bodies. Okay, so lower lows, I mean lower highs, I do apologize. So we've got a high using the candle bodies, and we've got lower highs using the candle bodies just there on that swing. Okay, so what we've done, obviously, we ran into the key resistance, which is this, and right now I'm a little bit more inclined to say we might get a little bit of a pullback here for XRP, because there's something I'm identifying using the RSI and the price action. So what we've got at the moment is something called a hidden bearish divergence, basically, where in the price action we've got lower highs using the candle bodies, and in the RSI we've actually got higher highs. So this is called a hidden bearish divergence. So this is kind of a looking glass that we could be in for a correction to come back down to this neckline for XRP. Okay, so again, nothing I say is financial advice. I've not got a crystal ball, but we could be looking at some kind of drawdown, just some kind of liquidity grab back down to this neckline to back test it as support for XRP. Okay, and like I said to you, this would just begin to carve out this massive structural reversal pattern down here for XRP, a big ascending triangle, price compression linked to expansion, where towards the mid part to the later part of this year we would see a break, basically on the third point of contact like that. And I've gone through this with you so many times before. This was a certain scenario I was looking at way back there. I was looking at resistance, support, and resistance, and then break on the third point of contact, which is a huge reversal pattern called an ascending triangle, or some kind of double bottom pattern down here for XRP. Okay, so at the minute I wouldn't be inclined to be looking at some kind of explosive break, which is, I know, a lot of people are looking at and calling for. So until we start to take out this resistance and see weekly closes above this trend line, and equally this neckline here, this high that's 05570, I think that we could be in some kind of correction for XRP, falling back into the EMAs as support. Okay, so I am actually looking to short if we do start to break down here. I will look tomorrow and try and find and identify any kind of patterns for you going forward, but at the minute it does look as though we've got this kind of bearish divergence which is playing out, not playing out, sorry, with the potential to play out. It's a kind of looking glass, so we'll keep an eye on this. Okay, to invalidate the bearish divergence we have to see a weekly close above that body candle close right there, and that starts to take it out. Do you understand? So at the minute I'm more inclined to say I think that we might see some kind of drawback, some kind of correction coming back down, potentially to this wave 1 high, 2, 3 or 4 before continuation, just like we did here. In this previous bottom just there, we've got this beautiful ascending triangle. We've got a 1, 2, 3, 4, big 5. The fifth wave was the largest wave, okay, before massive crash back down. But we did on the breakout, if you take a look, we've got the 1, 2, 3, pretty much like we did there. We got the high, went into it, and then we began to come back down to the neckline support. So we're looking at a very similar scenario. So this is why I said to you in yesterday's video, I have actually got some bids down there on that neckline because of the God candle break just there. Okay, so it doesn't make me a perma bear, whatever. I'm just trying to identify opportunity for you. Take care, everyone. Back to another update on XRP. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye bye.